Today we will be making coffee with the Moccamaster Select. To start off, use a size 4 filter, fold the 2 perforated sides in on the filter and place within the filter basket. The Moccamaster will come with 100 filters. Rinsing the filter paper is considered by many brewers as it can wash out any papery taste. Once done, measure out 38 grams of medium grind coffee into a bowl. It is important to get the grind setting right, as this affects the speed at which the water will percolate through the ground coffee. Add the grounds into the filter basket and give them a gentle shake to settle them. Add the filter basket onto the brewer with lid on top. We will be using a brew ratio of 1 to 16.5. The Moccamaster Select has a capacity of 1.25 liters. The Moccamaster will begin its water pulsing cycle. This promotes pre-infusion of the ground coffee. Make sure you've selected the right batch for your required volume. Turn the Moccamaster on. Once the water tank is empty on the Moccamaster, it will turn the boiler off automatically. The heating plate will stay on for 40 minutes after brewing. This will turn off if you turn the machine off. Enjoy with or without milk.